Once upon a time, in a cozy cove nestled amidst glistening coral reefs, lived a tiny turtle named Shelley. Unlike her siblings, who were born with vibrant shells of emerald and sapphire, Shelley's shell was a dull gray, as plain as a pebble. This made her feel small and invisible, often lost in the shadows of her flashier family. One sunny morning, as Shelley practiced swimming between her brothers and sisters, a mischievous crab named Claude scuttled by. "Look at the little pebble," he jeered, pointing his pincer at Shelley. "Will you ever shine like the rest of them?" Shelley's heart sank. Tears welled up in her eyes, blurring the vibrant colors of the reef. She swam away, seeking solace in the quiet corner of the cove. There, beneath a swaying kelp forest, she met Bubbles, a friendly hermit crab. Bubbles listened patiently to Shelley's woes. "Your shell may not be flashy," he said gently, "but it holds magic within. Every scratch and mark tells a story of your adventures." Shelley was surprised. No one had ever seen her shell that way before. Inspired by Bubbles' words, she set off on her own adventure. She explored hidden crevices in the reef, discovering shimmering pearls and dancing seahorses. She braved the swirling currents beyond the cove, meeting playful dolphins and wise old sea turtles. With each passing day, Shelley's shell grew more unique. A scrape from a playful dolphin added a streak of silver. A bite from a curious clownfish left a tiny orange dot, and a close encounter with a grumpy octopus adorned her shell with a swirling purple mark. Soon, Shelley's shell became a map of her adventures, a tapestry woven with the treasures of the sea. When she returned to the cove, her siblings couldn't help but admire her. "Your shell is amazing," they exclaimed. "It tells such an incredible story." From that day on, Shelley was no longer the little gray turtle. She was Shelley the brave, the explorer, the friend of the sea. And her shell, once a source of sadness, became a badge of honor, a reminder that even the smallest amongst us can shine brightly with their own unique light. Remember, Shelley's story teaches us that true beauty lies not in appearances, but in the experiences we gather and the stories we write with our lives. So embrace your differences, seek your own adventures, and let your own light shine.